Hi there, welcome back. Well, today we're going to work on the Ferrari and we're going to do something like that or that, I don't know. Just finishing up some project I started weeks ago because it's been a while since the last update. So let's get started. Well, what we're gonna do, we're gonna first finish up the manifolds. Last time we sprayed them with heat resistant manifold spray. How do you call that? Heat spray. But we had some parts that wasn't really sprayable. So we're gonna do that. We now just fill the cup with a little spray and use the brush to finish it up, and then after that they're going to be in the red bucket, finished. Not gonna touch them anymore, except for one thing possibly, is that I decided to replace the little can you see it? Yeah, these I'm not pretty happy that they're sharp, so I think I'm gonna replace them with the one that you can screw and then put a little Loctite on it, and then must be a little bit better. So let's get started. Well, I don't know if that was a good begin. Do you see my hands? Yes, I made a classic mistake. I sprayed the gun into the cup. I do that often when I try to paint with a spray, with a pencil. But I had it too close, so I am now like a Dalmatian. Dalmatian? Yeah. But if you look at the headers, it looks fantastic. I really like the black color on it, and well, so little mistake. Hopefully, lucky for me, the new shirt isn't dirty. So let's continue. Well, goes quickly. 2 of the manifolds are done, just drying, then they get in the bucket. And the last one is interesting. We got a good tempo. Originally, and this is something I need to explain, do you see this here? When it came off the car, this thing was on it with, well, can you see it? Yeah, with these broken gaskets. And what this thing does, this transports some of the hot air back to the air intake unit and then brings it back to the engine. That's part of the US, that's the GTSi system. But that system has been removed on my car. Not necessary. We're not gonna find somewhere and put it back because it will cost about 15 horsepower, I think. 15, yes. So they closed it one time, but just like this so ugly, just doesn't. Where is it? Can you see it now? Sorry, I'm a little bit shaky, but it just doesn't look good. So we got a new gasket that fits perfectly, and from this piece we're gonna cut a new matching plate. I hope it just fits. And then we're gonna seal it up with fire gum and then paint it black with all the rest, and then it's just okay. So let's see what we can do. Also, you see some bolts laying here. These are a few of the bolts we need to find replacements for. So I think one of these days we're gonna do some shopping at Ferrari or something. Let's see. Oh, this is very important piece. It's from the heating of the window. If you guys got any idea how to fix something like this, let me know in the comments, because this one broke off when the rear window came off. So it needs to get back on when the rear window comes back in. Okay, back to business. Well, that didn't go to plan. In the end, I find that this material might be a little bit too weak. They gave it to me to create this thing, but I think it's better to use some steel. And now, lucky for me, although it might be harder to fabricate, I got here a box full of steel parts left over from the bodywork. So I think it might be smarter to use some pieces like this, maybe. Yeah, we're gonna do that one. And action. No, kidding. It will take a lot more of my knowledge, but who cares? Well, let's do this. Well, while the rain started falling down, you can see that I tried. We're gonna use it because I think it will fit, but what this proves is that I'm a total numb when it comes to fabrication, because I nearly cut my fingers about 10 times, destroyed 2 little drills. But well, it will be okay. We'll find a solution. But we have to be creative, doesn't it? That's just beaten by a small plate and the rain. Yeah, there it is. Here's my finger. I burned it. Stupid me. I'm just stupid. Just stupid. I don't deserve to work on a Ferrari. You know that? But look at that. So I was trying to do some cutting, but it didn't work because my hands are shaking in 2 hands, and that's just a stupid idea, of course. So I don't want to cut in the garage anymore because, well, it has to stay clean here, and I just don't want that mess here. So I'm doing that outside, and I thought I was very creative. I put in a ladder, mounted the, I don't know how the thing called, how do you call that thing? Where you can, I put the plate on it, started cutting, went a little bit better, burned my finger because I'm stupid, and then it started raining so hard that I just couldn't continue. And now what? I want to finish that stupid thing. It's harder as I thought. Metal working. Well, maybe, you know what I should do someday? Do a course, sheet metal working. I think it would be fantastic to do that. So if anyone knows an address where we can do it for a reasonable price, because money doesn't grow on my back, here it is, the back, it's wet, but there isn't any money growing on it. I like the t-shirt, don't you think so? Whoa. Okay, I'm distracted. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sit it out, wait until the rain is gone, and then continue cutting. Meanwhile, I'm gonna do something about the finger, because it kind of hurts. Yeah, it doesn't, it's all part of the business. Eh? Pretty annoying, actually. I thought it's going to be an easy job today, but never mind. Okay, so I am gonna get myself a cup of coffee and I will be right back with you with hopefully no rain and continue. I already said it. So, no. Now, that's what I call annoying. The rain is all gone, and I got 10 minutes left to do whatever I wanted to do. I might be a noob, but I conquered. I did it. I made the piece that I wanted to make. Yeah, okay. Maybe it doesn't deserve the price of the most prettiest piece fabricated, but it will do it. It will do what it has to do. Good enough for me. So let's paint it, get it on, and then let's eat, because I have to eat. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, let's continue. Like always, this didn't go to plan, but well, we got it on. It's just not tightened because I found that this has been sitting in my garage for so long that well, it's hard, and I cut it just to see if it maybe was only a part, but it's completely toasted. So we have to find something new. Never mind, we got it on, just temporary, and the other parts are there, packed. ready to go to Guus when the car is somewhere in the future finished. So just gonna do some cleaning up right now, and then tomorrow I'm gonna continue working with the other parts, or better said, next week, because I'm gonna call it a day for you guys. Thank you for watching. Wish I could have shown you a little bit more, but be patient. We are working on getting the car back here and the other project that's coming. So be patient, bear with me. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.